it's Carl. So today, we're doing coilover thing. Multiple replace tomorrow. This is Carl.
Today in the Chop Shop, we're installing BC Racing BR Series coilovers along with Cosmos Racing R1 wheels with Michelin PS4S for added grip, so that Samantha can go from this to this.
Let's see if the famous coupon code works. Can we please talk about the fact that I checked my email today while I was at work and I get an email saying that my wheels are on back order. Alright, so let's talk about this really quick. I ordered these tires last night, literally at like 11 o'clock, and they shipped today and they're gonna get to my house tomorrow. My coilovers have shipped too, and if we track that order, hold on, boom, they're supposed to come tomorrow too.
Much later.
Oh my god! I ordered wheels 2 whole months ago. Their distributor ran out and didn't tell anyone. It's been 2 months! 2 whole months! And I'm still waiting.
75 years later.
Is this what I think it is? Is this? They only sent... unless there are 4 wheels here, I'm missing 2. I'm missing 2 whole wheels. I got the tires. I got the coils over there. I'm missing 2 whole wheels. 2! Oh my god. I've waited so long for these. All right. Let me get you hip to what's going on. So I got 2 wheels in the mail. They just came. Now the other 2 wheels, they're sitting at the shipping facility. Now I have 2 options. I could wait, or I could go. I'm not really sure if I'm at the right, well, I mean, I know I'm at the right place, but I just don't know how to get in here, so. Tell me why I drive an hour and a half actually, after the person tells me, your stuff, it's in Hagerstown, it's at the facility, can you make it? Yeah, I can make it. My shit is on a trailer.
My name is Carl. This is my beautiful red 1983 Ferrari 458.
Please don't disrespect my previous prime.
Her name is Samantha. Carl, how do you feel knowing that the Shelby can't go over 90 miles an hour, but I still walk you? I mean, I gave you a car length at a 40-year-old and still.
When did you give me a car length?
When we were in Mexico. This is Carl. What the fuck? Fuck them kids.
Hey, it's Carl.
Carl, you trying to do porn later?
Yes. That's actually what I bought that camera for, because I wanted 4K porn.
4K porn. So what kind of coilovers did you get?
The BC Racing.
BC Racing. BC Racing.
Yo, what the fuck you doing, bro? I brought you here to work. I didn't bring you here to just stand there.
I thought I was filming porn. Fuck them kids. Fuck them kids. Hey. Fuck them kids. You know, fuck them kids compilation. Fuck them kids. Can I zoom on this? Can I zoom? Ooh.
Excuse me, son. Son, please. Excuse me, son. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. So these are my rear tires, and I couldn't really tell you why they look like this right now.
Fuck them kids.
Wow. Bye, son. Bye, son. All right, now he's gone. Let's actually get some fucking work done. My slave labor, my son working over there. So you got the top of your coilover. You got these 3 bolts right here. Then you're gonna come down here. You got your ABS line. You got these 2 bolts holding it onto the knuckle, and then you'll be able to pull the coilover out. I mean, your old strut out. Alright, so when you remove your end link, you're going to want to take an Allen key and stick it in here so that it doesn't spin the entire time when you're trying to remove it. Alright, right, so there's a bracket right here that's actually holding on my brake line. I didn't know that, so you're just gonna disconnect this bolt right here, and that should allow you to take off your brake line. So what you're gonna wanna transfer from the old one is this bolt that was holding on your brake line. You're just gonna make sure you transfer that over here. The other one you make sure you wanna transfer is you wanna make sure you transfer these clips. Now the bottom clip is already connected to your ABS, so you don't have to worry about that, but this one's for your brake line. So make sure you transfer this to the new one. Oh, okay, never mind, the R goes. Where these are at right now, we're definitely gonna have to adjust them. This thing would be slammed.
Yeah, that's how we want it.
The fuck no, not like that.
The only negativity we need in 2019 in your camper.
Yo, this fuck. I already know we're gonna have to do some adjusting because there's already like no room. So we're definitely gonna have to take these off and readjust. All right, we got one coil in right now. Come over here. My son's working hard. He's a little lost right now. Trying to, oh, he got it out. Okay, so all we gotta do is take out this strut, then we'll put that coil in. Time is running short. So I packed up the truck. Got all my tires in here, all my new wheels. I'm gonna take these to my buddy Ashton. He's gonna mount and balance them for me. Then when we come back, we're gonna do the rears. So my son dropped the nut in there again, and we don't know where it's at. Sometimes I wish you were adopted. So we know we're definitely gonna have to adjust this because that is definitely too short. Coming back here, we gotta get off this. All right. I got a haircut, hashtag save the hairline, but we're gonna finish this up. There's your top hat right there. You're just gonna remove those two bolts, and then I'll show you the bolts on the bottom. All right, so after you unbolt the two at the top, you're gonna come down here. You're gonna have these three bolts right here. And what some people do is they unbolt this one and this one. Some people unbolt this one and just leave the other ones. Whatever you can do that gives you a little bit more wiggle room. Got it. You can let go. All right, we're done installing them. My son's over here tightening up the last bolt. We installed all the coilovers and they're definitely way too low. So now we're gonna raise them up. Tell me why I buy lug nuts and they don't fucking fit. All right, so after about 20 minutes and a Chick-fil-A break, I found the right lug nuts. I found them myself. I knew that they were the correct ones because I know all about my car. I found the correct lug nuts. So I got my wheel on over here in the rear. My end link's done over there. I'm just waiting for my son. He's being real slow. These AutoZone lug nuts ain't half bad. I'm just saying.
Is it ready? Is it ready to put the wheel on?
Yeah, put the wheel on. You good, baby boy?
Nah.
I think it was 19 yet.
What about those fryers?
Murder is much. I'm just straight up like, yeah, fuck that cluck, bitch.